Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Sketch Pen on Silhouette Cameo 4 only way. Load the Sketch Pen into the dedicated holder and tighten gently so it sits straight. Open Silhouette Studio and pick the Sketch tool, then choose Stroke Style and set a moderate speed and low force. Secure your material on the mat and run a test cut to verify alignment and line darkness before sketching your final design. Start by placing your Sketch Pen into the correct slot and lock it gently. The pen must be snug but not forced. In Silhouette Studio, convert designs to single line or offset fills so the pen only traces paths you want. Set the tool type to sketch and reduce speed and force to avoid ink blotting. Always test on scrap material to check placement and adjust settings for crisp, consistent sketches. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing useful silhouette tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless, with voice control and smart navigation that keeps craft areas tidy while you work. It's a handy tool to free up time for designing, and its automated cleaning is surprisingly thorough. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For the cleanest lines, slow the machine and lower force to let the pen glide effortlessly across the paper. Choose smoother papers and good sketch pens to avoid feathering or ink clumps that ruin detail. If lines look inconsistent, clean the pen tip carefully and retest on scrap to confirm improvement. Small adjustments to speed, force, and design paths will dramatically improve final sketches and reduce wasted material.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.